Harsh Arctic air slides into the state line for another night in a row. This time around, looking even chillier than the past couple nights. You can see wind chill wise, we're already down to -20 in many locations across the state line. And look for these wind chills to worsen some as we go throughout the overnight hours. You can see on future track, we kind of hover right around that 20 to 25 below range, even at times down to 30 below. Going into early tomorrow morning, that is bringing a frostbite danger within 30 minutes if you're not careful. And we may stay in the 20 below range through the middle of tomorrow morning. So wind chill advisories in effect through noon, which means it's going to take until the middle of tomorrow before we start to see the wind chills get above dangerous levels. In the meantime, look for them to be closer to -30 at times going into sunrise tomorrow. And that means frostbite within 30 minutes if you're not careful. So like you did today, layer up, cover up, limit your time spent outdoors because of that frostbite danger, which can definitely be pretty harmful if you're not careful, and it sets in quickly. Tonight, likely one of the coldest nights of the winter as we're down to -13. That's just with the air temperature, not including what it feels like with the wind chill. We'll have a mainly clear sky overnight with that light northwest breeze, but that breeze is enough to cause those wind chills to tumble quickly. You can see tomorrow morning hovering right around that -25 range. So if anybody has to go out to wait for the bus, try to wait to the last second and then send them out with plenty of layers because they'll definitely need them throughout the course of the day. The day does stay sunny and quiet, just like we saw today. That could result in a couple extra degrees of warmth. We only got to 8 above for a high, so tomorrow 3 degrees warmer under that bright sunny sky, light breeze out of the north, but still looking at wind chills down into the teens below zero throughout a lot of the day. And we've had our fair share of cold weather just like this. You can see the start of the year, at least the first week or so, spent near or below average of some frigid days. Then we got a bit of a mild break into the middle of the month, but as you can see, we're back into that average to very chilly pattern that we saw earlier on this year, with 8 now being the coldest day of this January thus far. But after some frigid couple days in a row, we have a 20-degree jump ahead for Thursday. We're up into the low 30s with a chance for some flurries going into the end of the week. So nice little relief on the way, at least momentarily, for Thursday itself. Once we get past the next 36 hours, which are pretty chilly. We get into Friday, though, right back into the teens, slightly warmer, though, than what we have for tomorrow. 20s for the weekend, closer to 30 degrees by Sunday, and then possibly near or above freezing going into February. In fact, warm enough for possibly rain showers next Tuesday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we're going to hold on to that mild weather, at least briefly. You can see Groundhog Day almost up to 40 degrees. That could bring more rain, then right back down again to closer to average late next week. In the meantime, even though the weather has dropped a ton, we're still on target. As you can see, forecasted 9, only got to 8, but still right within that target range. Looking to keep the streak going tomorrow, Brittany.
More money in the bank. Alex, thanks.